In this video, I'll show you how to set up an Airtable RSS integration using Data Fetcher. We'll connect an RSS feed to Airtable, map the fields we care about, and then schedule it so new items are imported automatically as they're published. Start by opening your Airtable base and adding the Data Fetcher extension from the Airtable Marketplace. Once it's installed, sign in or create an account. On the Data Fetcher home screen, click Create your first request. For application, choose Custom. Paste in the feed URL. For this example, we'll use the BBC News RSS feed, but you can use any RSS feed. Give the request a name to help you remember it. For example, fetch news articles. Choose the Airtable table and view where the item should be imported. Click Save and Run to fetch the RSS feed. Now you can choose which RSS fields you want to import. First, click Deselect All. Then scroll to the right until you see the fields with item in the name. Click each field you want to import. We will map the title field to our existing name field and map description, link, and ID to new fields. To make sure each RSS item stays matched to the correct Airtable record on future runs, open Advanced Settings in the sidebar. Under Update Based on Fields, select the ID field. Once everything's mapped, click Save and Run. Data Fetcher will create any new fields and import the RSS feed items into Airtable. Take a look at the output table to see the newly imported RSS data. By default, the RSS feed only updates when you click Run. If you want this to happen automatically, you can enable scheduling. Scheduling is a paid feature, so if needed, upgrade your account first. Then click Authorize and grant Data Fetcher access to your Airtable bases. Select Add All Resources to avoid permissions issues in future. Once authorized, choose how often you want the feed to sync. For example, every day at 9:30. Finally, click Save. From now on, new RSS items will be imported into Airtable automatically as they're published. I've linked the full step-by-step guide below if you want to follow along.